Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Today we will discuss about what polynomial is. Poly means many. So first I will tell you what the types of polynomial. We can divide polynomial on the basis of terms and on the basis of degree, as you see in the picture. So when we have to divide on the basis of terms, the first is mononomial. What mononomial means? कि no other term is adding or subtracting from the single term. For example, here is given 2x. There is nothing add or subtract from it. So this is single term. This is one term that is called a mononomial. And the second is binomial. Binomial means there are two terms who are adding or maybe subtracting also. So when two terms comes together, that is called a binomial. And the third one is trinomial. For example, three terms comes together, it is adding or subtracting from each other, so that is called the trinomial. It means three terms comes together. There is x square plus 2x plus 1. This example of trinomial. And now we will learn what polynomial is on the basis of degree. So when the degree is 1, for example, in the first one 2x raised to power 1 plus 1, that is called a linear equation. And second one is, we all know, x square plus 2x plus 1, it's the example of quadratic equation because which have power 2, highest power 2, that is called a quadratic. And same, if we have the highest power 3, that will be the cubic, right? So these are the types of the polynomials. So after learning the types of the polynomial, we will learn about the degree of polynomial. What is degree of polynomial and how we can write what is the degree of polynomial? The highest power of the variable means which is x, y, t, any alphabet which is taken in the polynomial as a variable, that is called variable, right? So the highest power of the variable in the polynomial is called the degree of the polynomial. For example, in the quadratic equation, right, the power is 2, the highest power is 2. So it means the degree of polynomial of the quadratic equation will be 2. And the second, we will take the example of cubic as well. In the cubic there is a power 3. So the degree of polynomial of the cubic equation will be 3. Now we will learn about the zeros of polynomial. For what value of x means here variable, for what value of variable the polynomial becomes 0, that values are called the zeros of polynomials. In the quadratic equation we have the highest power 2. So there we will find the two values of x, and that two values will be the zeros of the polynomial. Same in the cubic, we have a power 3. So if we have power 3, we will find, when we solve this equation, we will find the three values of x with which the all full polynomial will become the 0. That three values will be the. I hope you understand what is degree of polynomial and zero of polynomial. Note one thing, the number of zeros is equal to the degree of the polynomial. It means in the quadratic equation, if his highest power is 2, degree of polynomial will be 2, and the values of zeros will, or the number of zeros will be 2 also. Same if we have cubic, we have number of zeros 3. So number of zeros is equal to the degree of the polynomial. Thank you. Have a nice day.